Hi, welcome back to the channel, BKM Tech Reviews. So I've got a product that I'm going to review today, which is a very useful and practical product that a company did reach out to me. They contacted me to review this new product that they've developed. I think it's really good and I think you'll all like it as well. So let's just get straight into the video and review this product. Okay, so this is the product on the table. So it's a USB-C 3-in-1 charging cable. So I think it's really good. So this is it here. This is how it got sent to me by the company. So the company is the Style Pi company, and it's an ELF cable. But it's not just a cable. It's an all-in-one power solution with electric charging, a light feature for illumination, and a fire source for your in-car electronic accessories. So this is what the cable looks like. So this is it all coiled up. As you can see, it says Style Pi on there. I'm going to go into more detail as well. So it's a 3-in-1 multifunctional cable, but I'm really impressed with it. It's just something that I haven't seen before. It's environmentally friendly and battery free. So unlike flashlights or lighters that rely on internal batteries, this cable simply needs to be connected to your phone or power bank. So it can charge your phone, tablet, laptop, etc. So you know, it eliminates the need for batteries altogether. So you can say goodbye to disposable batteries and hello to the substantiability with our battery-free solution that they say comes with this cable. It's a really good quality cable as well. So let me just unravel it. I don't know how much I'm going to get into the video, but it's 1.5 meter length cable. So it's a woven cable. So as you can see, it's really good quality. It's not going to break or snag or, you know, rip or anything. It's really high quality. So let's just start with the end of the cable. So on this end, as you can see, there's the light source. So this does become a torch. So as you can see, there it is there, and then there's the button there. So that's the end of the cable. So that's one end of the cable, and this is the other end. So this will be the heat coil. So I'll just take that off. You can use this bit as well as a cover for the light. So I'll just put that down there. So this is the other end. So this is a heat coil. So this does provide heat. So, you know, it does light up and you can light a fire with the match if you've got no match, if you're out camping or whatever. And there's the button to turn it on. So that gives it heat, but obviously it has to be plugged in to a power bank or whatever. So I'll show you how that works. And on each end of these cables, this pulls up here and that flicks down. I just think it's really good. So there it is. It's the USB-C. It's not USB-A, so it's USB-C, which everything uses nowadays. So that's hidden in the end, and then you just put that back in and that shuts up. So that's on both ends, the USB. So I'm going to get my power bank now, and I'm just going to plug it in, and then I'll show you the torch side. And I'll plug this now into the power bank. So if I plug that in, so that's plugged in there. And if I get the other end now of the cable, and press the button, you've got a little torch. So that's the torch on the end of the cable. So if you're out and about camping, or you're just out and you need a bit of a light, let me just turn off my light up here. So as you can see, it's quite bright, and like I said, you can put this on as well. So if you don't want it too bright, you want a bit of a glow. I think it's I've never seen anything like this before. It's very ingenious. So that's the light there. So because you're lighting up my iPhone and lighting up there. So let's just turn the light back on. So that's the end. Oh, just pulled that out. So that just comes off there, and that acts as a protection as well. So that's it. That's the light end. Now I'm going to plug the other end into the power bank to do the heating coil. Right, so that's plugged in. So that's the heating coil. So as you can see, it's glowing, and then you have to hold it if you want some heat. So if you're out and about and you want to light a match or something, you've got that, and I can feel it getting warm on my fingers. So you've got heat there. So I'm just going to unplug that from the power cable, the power bank, sorry. So just let that cool down a bit. These are the two ends, as you can see there. So you've got the heating coil end, and then you've got the illumination end. So it's compact. You know, you've got an instant ignite with the heating coil. You've got a bright LED light on this side. You've got universal charging as well. So they lift up, and it's USB-C. So that everything's USB-C now. It's energy efficient, and it's also fast charging as well. So it's a fast charging cable. So it's 240 watts there. So it's universal charging and fast charging. So that's both of the ends there. So you got the heating coil and the LED light. I think it's a really good product by this company, StarPi. They've just launched it. It can save you in certain circumstances and everything like that. I just think, you know, you can say goodbye to ordinary lighters because you've got the power coil, and it, like I said, it's 240 watt high efficiency power, so you can use it outdoors, and it's wind resistant as well, providing a reliable ignition tool for all your outdoor needs. So the cable actually is constructed from a robust zinc and aluminium alloy, and it's encased in durable nylon. Okay, so like I said, it's very flexible. It's sleek in design and features detachable light cover for enhanced device protection and longevity. So this would be the cover that you can put on the light, like I said earlier. So like I said, it's no ordinary charging cable. This is going to come in handy in a lot of situations. So, you know, like I said, you know, with you can charge your phone. You know, so this is my iPhone 15 Pro Max, so that'll just charge in there. You know, plug that in. So it's charging my iPhone there for the power bank, so you can see the charging icon there. So, and it's fast charging as well. So I really like this product. It's a really good idea. You know what this company have done regarding this cable. So like I said, it's not like any other charging cable. It's 3-in-1. I will leave the link below. I've got a code if you click on the link, so it's an early starter interested in this cable. I'll leave the link below in the description. Click on that and you can purchase it. I do believe it is around £40, I believe, but I think it's worth the money because you can use it in so many situations, and like I said, it's a 3-in-1 cable, so you know you can take it anywhere with you, and you've got that flexibility of, you know, constant power as long as you've got a power bank or whatever. You can also use it inside, obviously plug it into a USB brick, plug it in, you can charge all your devices as well. So I hope you liked the video on this very unique cable, the ELFCable by StarPi. Could you like, comment and subscribe to my channel BKM Tech Reviews, and I'll see you again on my channel with some more tech products. So have a nice day, take care.